Just the two guys? Just still two eggs, so. Hey, Genevieve and Pierre. Look how beautiful you guys are. You have to be two of the most beautiful zebra finches I've ever seen. Yes, you're beautiful. Yes, Mama loves you. Oh, my babies. My sweet burbs. Go handsome you are, Pierre. You are a good-looking boy. And your son right beneath you is also beautiful. He looks a lot like you, but smaller. Hey, Spitfire? He's a handsome boy. He's a handsome Spitfire. I'm gonna miss you. I am. Not as much as Shaky, but I am gonna miss you. Wishing the view, looking after the babies like an awesome mom. There's Spitz. There's our Spitfire. Hello, handsome boy. You look so much like your father. Just, thinner. Hello, pretty girl. Oh, Shaky, don't fly away. It's okay, Shaky. You're a beautiful girl. Look at you. Oh, actually, that was Jace, wasn't it? It's hard to tell right now. This is my JC. Let's see by the toes. That was right the first time. Hello, my JC. Hi, pretty girl. And there's Shaky.